Hey guys, it's Lars Pearson here, MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Standing on a brand new 2023 Sailfish 245 dual console. So you can see I'm in the cockpit of this boat. This boat's a great boat for both day boating, family fun, and you could actually do some serious fishing in the back. The cockpit's huge, but when you want to go out with the family, you have side seats on both port and starboard, and a seat that folds down here in the middle. Nice thing about this boat, you have a retractable ski tow bar. Get it out of the way when you don't need it. Live well in the back here, rod holders across the back. Battery switch, easy to access location. This boat was equipped with the galley package. So you got storage here. Nice sink area. Cutting board on the back side of the sink cover. Oversized hard top here. Ton of protection. Rod holders, PFD storage, speakers and lights. Port side seat. It is an adjustable seat, so you get a couple positions here. So if you're sitting facing forward, you sit like that, or you can lift this guy up, you can lounge backwards or go all the way flat. Very large head compartment. Largest head compartment in its class here. Ton of headroom for a 24-foot boat. Electric marine head sink. And over here, we have our captain's helm seat, helm station, tilt steering wheel. This boat is equipped with the joystick Yamaha steering for single engine outboards. Here are your Yamaha controls. Yamaha gauges are under that display. Garmin screen, touch screen. Fusion stereo and all your switching. And a Garmin VHF on this boat as well. Very well equipped boat. You can see this windshield is very tall, so you get a ton of wind protection for late season or early season boating. Bow seating up here so you can lounge out, ride in the bow, be safe with stainless steel grab rails, and also equipped with our windlass anchor option. Shot of the boat looking aft. Again, guys, Lars Pearson here, MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you're interested in this boat, give us a call, 609-494-2102. Thank you.